No fuck's given her, you know that. That was the caves. Now we're going into this textile place where apparently every piece of clothing is handmade without any stencils or anything at all. So just going to see what this is about. I've been a big boy. I've been a good boy. And it's going to be unique because it's all handmade with their own designs made by, what's the word called? Improvise, that's the word. Everything's improvised.
Either a silk, cotton, or mix. So this is a silk material. You can see this all is painting, and this also a cotton.
It's all made with silk. And then they're cut into scarves and stuff, but we get to have a good painting now. I'm gonna have a go. This is the first stage, is what you've got. Go on. I got you, come on.
It's fresh and the color is inside.
Anywhere?
Yeah,
Don't.
put it inside.
See how it's spread?
Oh, the color only inside. That's awesome.
Cool. So obviously these are the finished products. Look. Scarves.
The color here I will show you how to sew and design are sell on both sides. So for this scarf, it's a pure silk. So for
Right, I'm having a go. So the one we was looking at just when the master was drawing is now this colour, look. If you look, them grey lines is wax. And as long as it won't go over the wax line, watch. You can just paint it and it spreads and it will not cross the line. But if it does, it won't affect the line. See? That's the wax. Amazing. So there's the wax. I can feel the heat of it, smell it. So that's what they use to do them with grey lines. Ice. And then we got my man UT is the expert painter now, isn't you? UT, you're the new expert painter. You're the new expert painter. Oh. The main mosque in Malaysia. This is our third stop. You can hear the prayers. We're going to go in there. Apparently you can have up to 1,500 pilgrimages in one sitting. That's a lot of people, huge. Looking forward to hearing these prayers as well. It's lovely sounds. And the building design, beautiful. It's like an Indian theme. Because he was actually English, but he built this as well. But an Indian man. But he's English, but Indian heritage. So you can see the Indian architecture in it. Because I think we still own Malaysia till the 50s, something like that.